Hello everyone, in this video I will be talking about my new original mini trash can from Lotsa Style Shop and walking you through how I personalized it using my Cricut Joy. Now I want to start off by letting you know that Lotsa Style Shop was kind enough to send me this product for free, but they are not paying me to make this video or give them a positive review. All opinions expressed are my own honest feelings, and I will only recommend a product that I have tried and genuinely enjoy. So I'll start off by saying that I love this trash can. I love how it looks on my desk, and it is the perfect size for all my vinyl weeding trash. It comes in different colors, and it's so fun to decorate and make your own. So I used black shimmer vinyl to decorate my trash can. So I'm going to go ahead and place my vinyl on my standard grip mat. So I'm just going to lay this down and align it and make sure that it is adhered properly. And now I'm going to insert it into my Cricut Joy, and I have already pre-designed my decal. So now we're just gonna let this cut. And once it's done, you're gonna go ahead and remove it. So this is how I remove my vinyl from my mat so that my vinyl doesn't curl up. So I'm using my Cricut light pad to weed my vinyl. It makes it easier to see the lines, especially when you're working with glitter or shimmer vinyl. And just using my Cricut weeding tool, I'm just weeding everything out. And while I was weeding, I accidentally weeded out one of my letters, so I'm missing the N. But no worries, I can totally fix that. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had a weeding situation like this. So then I'm using a strong grip transfer tape, and this is the Cricut brand. So I'm going to scrape that down. And if you are working with the shimmer vinyl, make sure that you use strong grip transfer tape. So I'm just going to scrape this down. And here is my trash can. It's in the white and black color. And it comes with this little note from Lotsa Style letting you know how to tag them in your post. And it also comes with a sheet of stickers, super cute, and a roll of trash bags. So now, pretty simple, I'm just going to go ahead and place my decal onto my trash can, and I'm just putting it right in the center. And here's that N that I lost earlier. And I'm also adding some butterflies that I had pre-cut from another project. And that is basically it. Here is the final product. I loved how this turned out, and the trash bags are included. So you can go ahead and just put your trash bag just like so. And there you have it. And if you guys are interested in getting your own trash can or other great products for organization in your craft room, check out Lotsa Style Shop and use the promo code 30nunez for 30% off. I will go ahead and link it in the description box below. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, I would love it if you subscribed. Thanks for watching.